20th year, of course, Ginoon Binibining Darangan. Palakpakan naman po natin ang lahat ng mga taga-barangay Darangan partner. Kami lamang po ang nag-iisang barangay na bawat taon ay may ganitong pageant.
Wow,
diba?
that is something, ha? Ibig sabihin, 20 years of celebrating the beauty, talent of the youth of Darangan. Talaga namang hinaangaan at isa sa mga inaabangan ang Darangan when it comes to pageantry.
Yes, at bukod dyan, Kimi, no, syempre, the winners of our Ginoon Binibining Darangan will represent, syempre, ang aming barangay ko sa mga local pageants dito sa Binawan and even in the province of Rizal and in the national pageant there.
Of course, this is a preparation for our youth to represent Binangonan or Darangan in national and provincial pageant. And I must say, maraming produkto ang Darangan na talaga namang nag-excel at nakilala sa world of pageantry. Congratulations!
Yes, and with that, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for you to know the criteria for judging, for choosing the top 5 finalists of our candidates. We have the beauty that is 30%, intelligence 30%, swimmer 20%, and formal and evening gown that is 20%, for a total of 100%.
And of course, that will be the basis of our board of judges for our selection committee. And para mas madali sa kanila to choose who will wear the crown of Darangan.
Yes, let's keep the ball rolling by giving our first set of corporate awards.
Wow! So MJ, ilang taon na tayong magkasama hosting this pageant. And I will say that every year, talaga namang bumabaha ng sponsors ang Binibino at Binibining Darangan. Napakaswerte ng Barangay Darangan for having a generous sponsors. Kaya naman, let's start giving them their awards.
Our first corporate award is the Cafe Tea Choice Award.
To present the award for Cafe Tea Choice Award is Mr. Dexter Villa Ignacio.
Alright, so before that, may I ask our audience, who is your bet? Ano pong number? Parang nahilig yung audience natin. Or do you know who is your kid? Let's start. The Cafe Tea Choice Award goes to, do you know number? You know, number 6, Hayden Anilongo.
And our Cafe Tea Choice Award for our Binibini is Binibini 4, Angel Castro. Congratulations to the winners of our Cafe Tea Choice Award.
Our next award is the Aura Pageantry Crown Choice Award.
To present the award for our Pageantry Crown Choice Award is Mr. Agawan Dankan Pastor Philip.
Alright, so, Darangan, your Aura Pageantry Crown Choice Award goes to Ginoon number? Ginoon number 4, Ben Jayon Cardinal.
And for our Aura Pageantry Crown Choice Award for our Binibini is Binibini 2, Julie Brown. Let's move on to our next award, which is the Papus EO Choice Award.
To present the award for Papus ELEO Choice Award is Chairman Roselle Margaret Godoy and Agawan Ray Mendoza.
And the Papus Choice Award or the Papus EO Choice Award goes to you, Ginoon number Ginoong number 6, Hayden Onilongo.
And for our Binibini, it's you again, Binibini 2, Jubilee Branch. Sorry naman. Congratulations to Pablo's ELEO Choice Award. And they will be receiving a sash and a gift certificate, I think, and a cash.
Ayan! The Papus Ihaw.
One of the best EO yan dito sa larangan.
Ikaw na yung kinabutong with that award. So congratulations and thank you so much. Our next award is the Meet and Grill Choice Award.
To present the award for Meet and Grill Choice Award is Kagawad Princess Paclimare and Kagawad Ariel Miranda.
Meet and Grill Choice Award. Ano pong number? Ginoong number? It's you again. Ginoong number 6. Hayden Onilongo.
And for our ELEO Choice Award for our Binibini is Binibini 2, Jubilee Branch. Congratulations to our winners.
Our next sponsor award is coming from Bibingka Niwato Choice Awards.
To present the award for the Meet and Grill Choice Award is Mr. J. Basas.
Bibingka Niwato Choice Award goes to Ginoong number 6 again. Ginoong number 6, Hayden Onilongo.
And for our Binibini, Binibini Kaliwatok Choice Award is Binibini 6, Sophia Tizon.
And as we mentioned, napakarami po natin sponsors for tonight. Kaya naman tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pagbibigay ng ating mga sponsors award. Our next award is Iwaki Salon Choice Award.
To present the award for Iwaki Salon Choice Award is Mr. J. Basas.
Iwaki Salon Choice Award goes to Ginoong number. Ano pang gusto niya? Ginoong number 8, Felix Velasquez.
And our Iwaki Salon Choice Award for our Binibini is Binibini 2, Jubilee Branch.
Salon Choice Award is Mr. Jay Pascal.
The Red Seal Girls Salon Choice Award goes to Ginoo number 10, Lee Donovan Mesa.
Congratulations to Lee Donovan Messiah, our Red Circle Choice Award. And for our Bini Bini Red Circle Choice Award, Bini Bini for Angel Castro. Once again, congratulations to all the winners of our first set of our corporate awards. Palakpakan po natin silang lahat.
At maraming salamat po. At as we mentioned, una pa